awesome. I mean, I have seen, for example, today I went down to visit and I see the television was turned on and nobody was on the floor engaging with them. I thought that was bad. You know, they just feel neglected. Here, watch the TV, kids, and, you know, figure it out for the next 2 hours. I don't think that's acceptable, right?
No, 100%. And so that's why, like, and here's the other thing too is, you know, even if you have like a hype act, like say your activity director person is a hype person, right?
Yeah.
Like you can't rely on them entirely to engage the entire population. So it's like they might be the hype person that hypes up the rest of your team. That's part of like the engagement team, you know, but the engagement team is individually like is an extension of that hype person for each of those little groups, you know? Like so that makes sense. Like, so say I got 40 people. Can I break those 40 people? Like they might all come together for one activity, like live music. We're all dancing, you put chairs around, you get everyone in, you know, some people are smiling, some people are laughing, some people are dancing, some people are sitting, some people are people watching. And then, but then like now we break into small groups after music and we go into a more, you know, more intentional activity. I might need to have like, you know, 4 small groups of 10 people, or maybe even 6 small groups of like, you know, 7 or 8 people or whatever, however it breaks, you know, however the numbers add up, but I'm engaging those 7 people and this person's engaging those 7 people. And, you know, and we're keeping them engaged the entire time, because if like, you're gonna lose a lot of people if there is downtime. And so
right.
like I always tell like our team, it's like, look, at the end of the day, the only thing we got to do really well is have fun. That's it. Like meals, like don't have to be, you know, we don't need to be the 5-star like assisted living facility down the street with a Michelin star chef, you know, like, you know, I just all I need to make sure is that from the time they get there to the time they leave, that they have fun, period. That's the only focus on everyone's job needs to be focused on that.
Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you'd like to learn how to open your own adult daycare center, go to adcpro.com. If you'd like the latest business tips, click here, and make sure you subscribe to our channel, click here. We'll see you guys next time.